Alright, I'm going to make a quick video here on how to put a windshield wiper on. It's pretty easy. It's just, it looks confusing because you got different holes to push it in and pull it out and everything. On the bottom of these wipers, you can't buy the filler anymore. You have to buy the whole arm. But on the bottom here is a little, you hear that? That's just a little tab, and you push that tab in and you just pull it out like that. Can you see that? A little tab right there. I mean, some of them may be a little different. And then you take the new one and you stick it through the top hole, and then you just pull it in like that and you're done. One over here to the other side. We'll do two of them while we're here. Like I say, some of them, I got my money worth out of these wipers. Okay, here you go. Pull it out. And you find out which way this one goes. And you stick it in this way. And just pull it back. Oh, there we go. I trouble getting it in. Hold it. Let's see what we got here. There we go. I don't know why it didn't go on first time, but that's it. Alright. See how long they last. Alrighty, enough of this.